Hi guys, welcome to the Weekend Creator. I'm Gautam and I'm gonna talk about something that's very anticipated and rumored from past few years. That's the Apple Silicon. Let's get started. Yeah, Apple has started developing its own processors called as Apple Silicon for Macs and MacBooks, and it's finally in the production stage. Maybe in 2 years they may shift from Intel to the in-house processors. This was announced at Worldwide Developer Conference, which was held in the month of June. Yes, as they are designing it with some super capabilities of GPU, which may be a little shock for Nvidia and AMD, who are leading the world in the unit of graphic processing units. And the main thing Apple must achieve is like people should not know that it made some significant changes. They need to perform as good as Intel chips, or they need to perform more better than the Intel chips. That's where they get succeeded. And this process of shifting from Intel to Apple, it may take 2 to 3 years. Meanwhile, in the Worldwide Developer Conference, every year Apple launches its new products, but this year it did not launch. It has revealed that it's going to make the Apple Silicon, and also it showcased its Apple Silicon capabilities. And also Apple has teased the launch of iOS 14. Every year Apple is going to release new products in the Worldwide Developers Conference, but this year it did not launch anything, and it revealed that it's going to design its own ARM-based Apple Silicon chips with super capabilities. And it has declared that the developer transition kit is going to be $500, which is rental, and you can just rent it. You can develop the applications from today itself for the next 2-year transition from Intel to its own Apple chips. This will be a very good opportunity for solid developers to develop the applications. And most of the people might think, what is ARM architecture? ARM is a company which designs a processor architecture and licenses it to the companies who made their own processors. They do not build processors, they just design and lend the design to the people who make their own processors. And even the AirPods Pro got major updates functionally, and even they teased its iOS 14, which they haven't said when it's going to be launched. And also Apple announced its new Mini Mac enclosure, which runs on A12 chip from the iPad, which is not a consumer product. It's just for rental. You take it, you develop your applications, and once you're done, you just go and return it. This product is to showcase the capabilities of the Apple Silicon to the developers and help them to develop the applications from today itself. And this news is going to be a big one for the Apple fanboys and anti-Apple fanboys, because it's making a huge change. Yes, this is a huge change in the world of computing, in the world of technology. This change is going to be a very huge change in the world of technology and computing. And coming to the price point of Apple Macs and MacBooks, people say Apple loots. Yes, it do, because they need to pay for the Intel chips, which are way more costlier, and even the hardware used by Apple is way more costlier. So finally they are affected on the people who purchase them, we consumers. And after shifting from Intel to its own processors, Apple has its own power to decide what price it need to set, and it's in the hands of Apple. Let's see what it might do. It might loot, or it might reduce the prices. Let's see what happens in the upcoming 2 to 3 years. And let's see how long it's gonna take and how big the changes are going to be. And even these days, after getting my laptop, I'm just doing some streams of GTA 5 online. You can join if you're interested and support the stream. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning into the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Stay safe. Bye bye.